Welcome back, year 10. This is a little bit like when we were in lockdown, isn't it? Online lessons. Anyway, here's a video for our lesson on perimeter, which is exercise 2C today. Now you know what perimeter is, so we'll go through it. So perimeter is going to be the distance around the outside of an object. It could be outside of a field, it could be the perimeter around the room. It's the distance around the outside of an object. Alright, so grab your guided notes, let's fill in the missing words. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. To find the perimeter, we add all those side lengths. Okay, now you've been doing this for a long time. If I had this rectangle here, alright, so I'm going to go 11 plus that 8. Now, because it's a rectangle, I know this side and this side are the same. So it's plus another 11, and that last side is an 8. So 11 plus 8 plus 11 plus 8 is 38. Okay, nothing hard, nothing new. This triangle here, find the perimeter. Let's go. We've got 12 millimeters, is nothing unusual. Plus this next side, 30 mils. Now, this has got that double line here, double line here. You know, or you should remember that that means those lengths are the same. So that length there is also 30. Add them all up, 72 mils. Now I'm going to put a little bit of algebra in it. First two examples you've been doing for a long time. Let's put some algebra in it. Alright, that length there, 2x. I'm just writing 2x. Next length that I've highlighted is 1x. Next length, 10, plus the last length, 15. So I'm going to put them together. I've got 2 x's plus 1 more x. I've got 3 x's. And then we've got 10 plus 15 is 25. So I'm going to write down 3 x's plus 25. I'm not putting them together because I can't. They're x's. I don't know what x is. I'm leaving them separate. But I've collected my x's. There's 3 of them. And I guess I've collected these numbers here and put them there. Okay. Try another. Oh, this is a little bit different. This example is, we're actually given the perimeter and we've got to work backwards to find an unknown side. Okay, so I'm going to write down what I know. Perimeter equals 20 plus that 15 plus 10 plus that unknown side, x, and I'll just leave it x. But I know this. I know perimeter equals 60. So over this side of the equation, I'm going to write 60. Because the perimeter equals 60. So I've got it all the same, but now I've just got 60 out the front. I'm going to collect these numbers here because they're like terms, they're just numbers. I'm going to collect them all together, simplify what I've got. 20, 30, 35, 45. So I've got 60 equals 45 plus x. Now if I'm using algebra, I'm going to work out what x is. I'm going to take away 45 from both sides. And x is 15. Okay, and I'll show you a little bit more in this next example. So this example is straight out of your textbook. Again, we've been given a perimeter and a side we have to find. So I've written down 4.5 plus 2.1 plus 3.4 plus x. And I know it equals 119, so I've put in 119. I'm going to collect these numbers. I'm going to simplify this side. I'm going to add them all up. Alright, so and they all add up to a nice number of 10. Alright, I want to get x all by itself. So I'm going to remember what I did with equations way back in maybe year 8, year 9. I'm going to take away 10, take away 10. So I'll take it from this side, I'll take it from that side, and that'll just leave me x is equal to 1.9, because 11.9 take away 10 is 1.9. Alright, that's a short video. Make sure you've completed your guided notes, and then on the guided notes it tells you which questions to work through out of your textbook. Okay, and I'll see you next week, year 10. Oh, have a good weekend.